Hey everyone, it's DJ for Vocabulary 3 Levels. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be talking about the verbs run, sprint, and scamper. Our level A verb is going to be run, and everybody knows run. It means to move quickly. So the example sentence, I run every morning. Our level B verb is going to be the verb sprint. And sprint means to run at your full speed, maximum speed, over a short distance. So if you take a look at the example sentence, the dog sprinted after the cat. If you can imagine a cat being chased by a dog, the dog is very excited and he's probably running at his full speed, although it's only for a short distance, not for a long distance. The last verb is our level C verb, and that is scamper. Now, scamper can be used for children and animals in most cases. You could use it for an adult, but it sounds most natural when it's used with animals and children. And it means that you're running with short, light steps. If you take a look at the example sentence, the mouse scampered out of the kitchen after being spotted by the man. If you can imagine walking to the kitchen and turning the light on, and there's a mouse in your kitchen, he or she sees you and it runs away really quickly. That's called scamper.